Today we're at the 21st annual Walk Run for the Animals with the Humane Society for Southwest Washington. This is an annual event for us where we welcome 800 to 1,000 people from Southwest Washington and Portland Metro, as well as 500 to 1,000 dogs, mainly dogs. We have some other companion animals. Have a run and a walk of varying distances. People from the community come out with their pets. They do the walk and the run along the Columbia River Trail. We have the Rose City Roller Derby girls here leading the walk this year as our grand marshals. We have vendors in the park, our vendor village. We have a kids corner. We have live music, a pancake breakfast from Elmer's, and several other events going on today.
It's really cool to see a strong turnout like this because, I mean, it goes to help our local Southwest Washington Humane Society, and it's just good that such a large amount of people actually care enough to show up and support them.
We've been doing this event for 21 years. It's become one of the largest, and we like to think of as the most anticipated pet community event in Southwest Washington.